Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, so just slide up, then find and select the settings. Here scroll down and pick display. And now by tapping on this switcher you can enable night mode, so it will use a darker dim to keep your eyes comfortable at night. So just tap on this switcher and now, as you can see, the display is black and the letters are white, so your eyes will be less tired. As you can see, it's everywhere. And if you would like to switch it off, just tap on display one more time, go to night mode and turn it off by tapping on the same switcher as in the beginning. And you are now back in the standard mode. So that's it, thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.